माई कंसर्न इज वन सर, इन्हों जो करे इनको आवाम यहां भेज दी, इन्हों जो गलत करे वो सेम गलती अगर आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो आवाम फिर इनको भी नहीं बोलेंगी, इनको भी नहीं बोलेंगी, किसी तीसरे को बोलेंगी, तो तीसरा ना आपके लिए अच्छा है, ना इनके लिए अच्छा है, ना मेरे लिए अच्छा है। सही है ना साहब? सर नहीं है ना सवाल? बिल्कुल, दैट्स इट, वेरी गुड सर। तो हमारी कोशिश यही रहती है सर, हमारी कोशिश यही रहती है कि तीसरा ना आए। जी सर, me, my team, we do some little bit of research, sir, because we are a very small party, not very learned and educated, sir. But we try our level best to come do a proper research, sir. Various department heads of account, sir. राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब के दौर में कांग्रेस ये सारी चीजें देती थी, सारी चीजें। रोशैया साहब फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे, सारी चीजें देते थे। लेकिन तेलंगाना बने बाद बीआरएस ने जो किया वो काम वैसी हो रहा है। नहीं मालूम कि वो राजशेखर रेड्डी की कांग्रेस कहां गुम हो गई। आज की इस कांग्रेस में मैं ढूंढ रहा हूं। उम्मीद करता हूं कि वो कांग्रेस जरूर मुझे जल्द नजर आ जाएगी, आपसे जल्द नजर आ जाएगी। कीपिंग द बीआरओज अंडर रैप सर। बीआरओज भी नहीं आ रहे साहब। पहले बीआरओज आते थे, वो बीआरओज भी पता ही नहीं चल रहा कुछ भी, सब फाइनेंसेस हिडन है। और इनके दौर में इन्हों जीओस को भी छुपाते थे साहब, इन्हों बीआरओज को भी छुपा रहे बीआरओ। अच्छा वो भी हो गया है, चलिए मुबारक, दे आर फॉलोइंग यू, दे आर कंटिन्यूइंग यू। सर शायद मैं गलत हूंगा सर, सिंधी लोग और दूसरे बाज लोग हैं सर, आई एम सॉरी सर, आई टेक बैक, सिंधी नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, आई टेक बैक दैट। बाज लोग हैं सर, वो ऐसे दुआ करते हैं बोल के मैं सुना, वो दुआ करते हैं और दुआ करके जैसा हम बोलते हैं ना साहब, हम दुआ करते हैं कि अय अल्लाह हमारे खर्चों को, अय भगवान हमारे एक्सपेंडिचर को थोड़ा कम कर कम कर। तो बाज लोग ऐसे भी हैं दुनिया में जो दुआ करते हैं कि हमारे एक्सपेंडिचर्स को और कर और कर और कर बोलते हैं सर। तो वो तो यू नो व्हाई दे प्रे फॉर दैट? नो 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 सर, उसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है। सो यू नो सर, समवन आस्क्ड देम कि एवरीबडी प्रेयर्स एंड दे से दैट के वी शुड अपने एक्सपेंडिचर कम होना, एंड व्हाई इज इट दैट यू प्रे एंड से दैट के आवर एक्सपेंडिचर शुड इंक्रीज? सो दैट दोस ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल दे सेड दैट कि इफ वी स्पेंड मोर देन वील वर्क मोर एंड गेट मोर, दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट। So now I would say that spend more on 6 guarantees, fulfill the promises, ways and means will come by itself. Don't worry sir, we will do it and I know that you are going to do it sir. ऐसा हो गया है सर, इख्तिदार में नहीं रहे तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी मुतालबा कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी ख्वाब दिखा सकते हैं, कुछ भी वादे कर सकते हैं। इख्तिदार में आ गए तो उसकी मजबूरियां ऐसी हैं कि वैसे ही चलना पड़ता है जैसे पहले लोग चलते थे। राजशेखर रेड्डी was a very great leader sir, and I know that Bhatti Saab is a staunch follower of Rajshekar Reddy Saab because I've seen him sir, and it was Rajshekar Reddy sir who came in power, and I was there, and I remember still Rajshekar Reddy Saab's speeches, Roshaya Saab's speeches about this IMG Bharat sir, and they were the people who wanted to cancel. The reason क्या था मालूम साहब? इसका कंपनी फॉर्म हुई आज और ये जमीन मिल गई 2 दिन बाद। Am I right सर? राइट सर, 2 दिन में सर। अब उसके पीछे बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग थे, अब वो इस हाउस में नहीं है, चले गए, अब दूसरी तरफ है। अब मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता, समझ गए भट्टी साहब मेरे दोस्त के जरूर जितने प्रोमिसेस करे हैं उसको बराबर फुलफिल करेंगे। ठीक है, वक्त लगेगा, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता होगा, लेकिन अब 1.5 साल होने आ रहा है, 1.5 साल होने आ रहा है, 1 साल तो हो गया है। बजट आए जब तक 1.5 साल हो जाता है, तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि बजट विल रिफ्लेक्ट एटलीस्ट नॉट फुल promises of 6 guarantees, few promises of 6 guarantees would be addressed sir.
हरीश राव गारू, controversy discussion పెంచకండి ప్లీజ్, బాత్ कीजिए.
Honorable Speaker sir, Honorable panel Speaker sir, I take the opportunity to participate in the short discussion on the outstanding liabilities of the state. We have discussed this issue umpteen times in the State Assembly. In the first session of the current Assembly in December 2023, we have discussed this issue in the debates on the motion of thanks of the Governor's address, then white paper on Telangana state finances and Telangana state power sector. Again, in February 2024, we discussed this issue in the debates on the motion of the thanks for the Governor's address, vote on account on budget, supplementary estimates, white paper on Telangana state irrigation sector, and again in two appropriation bills. In the budget session in July 2024, we again debated this issue in the discussion on state budget, demands of various departments and the appropriation bill. In the current session also, Honorable Panel Speaker Sir, we have discussed this issue at length during the question hour a couple of days ago. And then a privilege motion was given, but the note which was tabled, it has not mentioned that this subject is again being taken because of the privilege motion. But Minister for Legislative Affairs had said and come on record that because of the privilege motion, sir. Sir, now, sir, what I really failed to understand, there are two things, sir. First and foremost, the important thing is that, sir, when we say that the state finances are in very bad condition and loans are increasing, काफी तकालीफ है, मुसीबत है, सब कुछ है, तो sir, I mean, at least I think, are we not wasting public's money debating the same issue again and again, sir? At least we can save that money and, spend on 6 guarantees. At least we can do that, sir. One is this, sir. The second most important thing is that, sir, there are RBI's figures, there is CAG figures, budget on account figures are there. Sir, I was going through all that. No figures are matching with each other, sir. And in all these debates, sir, there is one thing that we are debating, and the government is trying to convince the opposition parties by saying that कि loans इतने नहीं इतने हैं, कॉर्पोरेशन के लोन्स भी ले रहे, ये आरबीआई एक लोन का फिगर देता है, उसको गवर्नमेंट एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है, बोलती नहीं गलत है, हम सब बोलते हैं ये आरबीआई की बुक में ये आया है. So I would say that Honorable Minister Saab had spent so much of his energy, effort, his learnedness and whatever information he has to convince all of us. I request him, sir, whatever energy and time he has spent to convince all the opposition parties, from that 10% take out some time, and why don't you convince RBI, sir? And say that, no, my figures are right, RBI, you are wrong. You say that, at least do that, sir, it will save our time. Because what is happening, sir, he is saying, no, this is this, this is this, this is this. RBI is saying this is that, this is that. So we need to save our time. Because, sir, I don't know how much of money, I am not sure, sir, but we spend lakhs of rupees on one single minute of running this house. So that money can be spent or can be distributed to the poor and the needy, or that money can be spent on 6 guarantees. So that is very important. Because it has been promised. Sir, what I feel that the government is trying to build a picture by saying that financial condition is bad, financial condition is bad. Developmental works, no money. This, no money. But what I think is that no, state has the money. I will just prove it, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, last Sunday, CM Saab addressed a press conference at the Common to brief the state's liabilities. By discussing this issue, sir, so many times so far, we may set a record, sir. Like we have discussed so many a time, sir. Sir, I may recall that a veteran Congress leader who I used to respect him and love him, and I would say that I have learned so much from him. Late Janab Roshaya Sahab. Sir, he had set a record by presenting state budget 16 times, including 7 times in a row, a record in the country. A record in the country, sir. He was a finance minister under 5 Congress chief minister, Dr. Marri Channa Reddy, and then N. Janardhan Reddy, Kotla Vijayabhaskar Reddy, Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, sir. Sir, I may also point out that Roshaya Saab as a finance minister and later as a chief minister had set a record as the state, sir, as the state did not resort to overdraft for a single day during his tenure, sir. For a single day, sir. Sir, I was young then. When Rajshekar Reddy Saab was the chief minister, I think it was my second term then. So I used to admire. And he was also Minister for Legislative Affairs, sir. One man responsible for the finances of the state and also Legislative Affairs Minister. We have 2 people succeeding him. One Mr. Bhatti Saab as a finance minister, and when we have Sridhar Babu as a Legislative Affairs Minister, sir. So I hope that the legacy and the foundation which has been laid by Roshaya Sahab will continue with these 2 individuals, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, on the other hand, Chandrababu Naidu, first as a finance minister and later as a chief minister in United AP, and again in AP after bifurcation, sir. Sir, I was also there in the house when Mr. Chandrababu Naidu was also the chief minister, sir. Sir, he has set a record as the state government resorted to overdraft almost every day except for the holidays, sir. Except for the holidays. Sir, and going further ahead, sir. So through you, I would like to ask Honorable Finance Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Bhatti Sahab, to tell us how many times the state government has resorted to overdraft during his tenure as Finance Minister so far. I would like to know on this, sir. So we know that the previous government has also resorted to overdraft and ways and means for most of the working days during its rule, making Telangana one of the top states resorting to this facility from the RBI, sir. Sir, I would like to know the details of the outstanding debt as per the FRBM norms. I know Honorable Minister Saab, when he was speaking, he has mentioned many things, but the note which has been given, it doesn't provide that information. So I want things to come in writing. That is why I am requesting that kindly let us know the outstanding public debt as per the FRBM norms, appropriation in Telangana state on its formation on 2nd of June 2014 and the state debt as on 31st March 2024 and 30th November 2024 with the data on borrowings and repayments and outstanding debt on the said dates, sir. Sir, when I go further, sir, I would also request the Honorable Finance Minister, if my figures are wrong, I did my best, sir. I tried my best to gather all the figures from all the records which were available in public domain. Sir, we have a component wherein, if I am wrong, again I may be corrected by 2 learned people over here. One is Bhatti Saab as a finance minister and Harish Saab as the ex-finance minister, sir. Sir, there is one component which is compulsory payments which we have to make. The compulsory payments are like, interest payments, salaries and wages and pensions, and then subsidies, sir. Subsidies mean farmer subsidy, electricity subsidy, or any other, like now bus subsidies and all, sir. Sir, and if I have to see, sir, the total receipts which includes the loans for the last 7 months, has been 1,25,990, sir. Sir, and if we have to see the compulsory payments which we have to make, that is interest payment, salary, wages, pension and subsidies for the last 7 months, that comes to 75,728. 75,728, sir. Sir, अगर हम 75,728 कंपल्सरी पेमेंट जो हमको करना है, वो उसमें 1,25,990 में से अगर निकाल देते हैं सर, द टोटल रिसीव्स फॉर द 7 months as per the records available is 1,25,990 सर. सर 7 months में अगर कंपलसरी पेमेंट निकाल देते हैं, सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद 7,180 करोड़. 7,180 crores, sir. Sir, now the question arises, this includes loan. Of course, this includes loan. Or if I'm wrong, I'm sure Honorable Finance Minister Saab will correct me and pass on the right information to the people through me or through this house, sir. So that, you know, no, Akbar Saab, this is wrong, this is right. So, I mean, I can also correct myself, sir. Sir, but if we see, sir, the total receipts for the last 7 months has been 1,25,990. The total expenditure has been 1,23,799. Sir, if we take this also, sir, if we take 7 months receipt with loans and expenditure also, sir, still we are saving 2,190.71 crores. So I want to really understand, sir, स्टेट के फाइनेंसेस का बुरा हाल कहां है, कैसा है? Yes, sir, every state has. Every state has. Sir, now, I don't know, I mean, I was just listening to Honorable Finance Minister Saab also in his speech. Sir, sir, and with all due apologies to the bureaucrats, with due apology, I would say, sir. Sir, if the BRS government has failed to manage the finances of the state and they have really brought the state in the debt trap, sir, I would say that people have rejected them and sent them here. I fail to understand the same bureaucrat who was leading them is continuing. Yeah, I agree with you. That's why I said, no, that's why I said that people have sent them here and people have selected a new leader, given a new leader a responsibility. People have decided in democracy. But now I am trying to understand why the leader has not changed that bureaucrat who had created a really financial mess in the state. ठीक है, मेरा खैर ये this is my opinion again, sir. Honorable panel speaker, sir, again I may be wrong.
Please continue.
I may be wrong. But you know, sir, I would say that I have a team, sir. I have a team. People think, yes, Akbar Owaisi, I mean, he comes prepared, he gives a lot of good speeches and he has facts and figures and everything. But I am dependent on my team, sir. In spite of me being the leader of my team, I depend on my team. Right or wrong information, whatever information comes to me, I try to verify it to the maximum capacity of mine and my ability. And still, if I fail somewhere, so yes, I am responsible because I am the leader. But at the same time, when I go back home, I call my team and I ask my team and tell them, why did you provide me with this information? Why didn't you check this information again and again? Why did, because of your findings, I have to feel embarrassed? So now the embarrassment which we are having or which you are saying is an embarrassment, or you know, about the state finances, I would say the entire team which was working behind the minister and the chief minister and the government is also should be held responsible. This is what I think. But still, I mean, I leave it for your wisdom. I mean, people have given you the verdict to rule the state. People have given you the opportunity. You have the right to select the people. You can select anybody. You can make anybody work. It is your authority, sir. I cannot interfere in that. I will never interfere in that. I'm just airing my view, sir. I'm just airing my view, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, I would like to also want the Honorable Deputy CM Saab to give the details of the outstanding debt of state public undertaking for which the state government has stood guarantees as well as the outstanding debt of the state PSU for which state government guarantee did not stand, guarantee including data on the borrowings and repayments and the outstanding debt on the state debt. Sir, I would like to know the details of the interest payment made by the state government as well as the state PPSUs on guaranteed and non-guaranteed loans in all financial years since the formation of Telangana state, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, I may point out that in white paper on state finances as well as in his budget speech on vote on account budget and full-fledged budget for the 24-25, the Honorable Deputy CM Saab has blamed the previous government for pushing the state into debt trap and cites the rise in the state debt from 75,577 crores at the time of state formation in July 2014 to rupees 6,71,751 crore by the end of 23-24 financial year, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, important point, sir, now. Sir, I know it is humanly impossible for one individual to really get all the information, but through you I want to make one appeal and a request to the government and finance minister, sir. Sir, when you rise to give a reply, kindly don't give a reply from the old figures. I was listening to the speeches of Finance Minister Saab, my ex-Finance Minister Saab, my BJP friends and everybody. Everybody were quoting CAG, they were quoting all the other books. I mean, it is right, the books which they were quoting. But I don't know if they are aware. Today, sir, RBI has released this book, sir. RBI has released this book, State Finances, a study on budget of 24-25. Kindly, if you want to give the figures, give from this book, sir. You don't have to read, sir. They are there. They'll read and give it to you. Don't worry. They'll give it, sir. Very competent people are there. Very nice. They can read it and they can give. Sir, no, sir. Because me, my team, we do some little bit of research, sir, because we are a very small party, not very learned and educated, sir. But we try our level best to come do a proper research, sir. So the Deputy CM Saab addressed a press conference in Khammam on 15 December 2024 and claimed that the state debt rose to rupees 7,11,911 crore as on 31/3/2024, sir. But sir, according to this book, now I don't know, the bureaucrats might come and tell the Honorable, my very good friend he, sir, we have been there from so long, right from Rajshekar Reddy Saab's time. He was a chief whip of Congress, then a deputy speaker, then floor leader. We have, worked together and we have traveled to Delhi and all. Very close friend of mine, Bhatti Saab, sir. Sir, but sir, I would say, sir, that, sir, isme dekhiye, but according to this RBI State Finances, a study budgeted of 2024-25 released by the RBI, 19 December, the total outstanding liabilities, including outstanding guarantees, rose to rupees 4,32,154 crores as on 31/3/2024. This is what this book is saying, sir. अब फिर अगर बोलते हैं नहीं भाई ये गलत है बोले तो प्लीज आरबीआई को कन्विंस करो सर, मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है सर। नहीं तो हम भी जाएंगे सर आरबीआई के पास, जाके उनको बोलेंगे कि नहीं भाई हमारे फिगर्स को मानो, बोलेंगे हमारे जो है सो, हमारे मतलब आपके जो है। सर, the deputy CM Saab stated the public debt of the state rose to rupees 72,658 crores as on 31/3/2014 to rupees 3,89,673 crores as on 31/3/2024, sir. But again, sir, according to this book, sir, the RBI State Finances, a study of budget on 2024-25 released by the RBI today, that is 19 December, the total outstanding liabilities of Telangana state rose to rupees 72,658 crores as on 31/3/2014 to rupees 3,93,287 crores as on 31/3/2024. This is what they are saying. So the loans of state PSU with the government guarantees rose from rupees 5,893 crores in 2014 to 95,462 crores as on 31/3/2024, sir. Sir, ये book बहुत अच्छी है, sir. इसमें सारी चीजें हैं. But you know, lot of time would go saying that, so I'm just cutting short with this, sir. Sir, but according to RBI State Finances, the study budget of 2024-25 released by the RBI today, 19 December, the government guarantees rose from zero in 2014 to rupees 38,867 crores as on 31/3/2024, sir. Sir, the government outstanding dues towards irrigation, roads and buildings, Panchayat Raj, Arogyashri employees, GPF, midday meals, fee reimbursement bill, etc. Total is rupees 40,154 crores as on 31/3/2024, sir. Sir, if we include all these figures quoted by Honorable Finance Minister and Deputy CM Saab, the total outstanding liabilities comes to 5,84,070 crore, 3,89,673 plus 95,462 plus 59,414 plus 40,154. But it does not add up the Deputy CM Saab magic figure, I would say, of 7,11,911, sir. It is not matching this magic figure, sir. So I don't know where this magic figure has come. Kindly clarify on that, sir. And when you are clarifying it, sir, first time we have a debate, second time we had a debate, third time, fourth time, white paper, appropriation bill, budget, demands, questions, and again now, after 9th time, sir, they say nth time, sir. Nth times we have a discussion on this, sir. So again I repeat, sir, let us go to RBI and convince your figures, sir. We should convince them, sir. Or we should send the bureaucrats, sir. They are very intelligent, and I think they are the people we should send them and say that, go to RBI and tell them, fight with them, explain them, and make sure that they agree with our figures and they change their RBI figures. They should change it. They should do it, sir. Our Minister Saab, you know, he is trying his level best to convince us, but he is not able to because of the RBI. Now the bureaucrat should go to RBI and correct it, sir. Sir, however, the budget documents, including the budget in brief and the statement of fiscal policy under FRBM Act, shows the state's outstanding public debts at rupees 4,01,844 crores at the end of the March 2024, and it is estimated to rise to 4,50,918 crores by end of March 2025, sir. So, Honorable Deputy CM Saab and the Finance Minister, Bhatti Saab, adds the outstanding debt. Here it is, sir. Adds the outstanding debt of the state public undertakings with and without government guarantees. With and without the government guarantees, sir. As well as the liabilities of major works. Now you see, sir, now. You know, sir, as well as the liability of major works and unpaid bills on works and supplies to the state-owned debt to inflate the total debt figure. अरे ये कैसा होता है, sir, ये? Sir, if we are going to continue this, sir, this is going to affect us, sir. It is going to affect us when we really require loans because of this blunder and the mistakes. We will not get loans, sir. Please try to understand. Please try to understand. Just to corner a government, ex-government I would say, just to corner the BRS government, please do not risk the future of the state, sir. Do not put the future of the state in dark, sir, is my appeal to you, sir. Earlier also I have spoken and I said, sir, we want the investors to come in the state. We want the development to come in state. We want people to come here, sir, because our state is very beautiful. With this picture, you are sending away the investors, pushing away sir. What is happening, sir? The fear of Hydra is so much the real estate has collapsed. No real estate investor wants to come. Sir, the government might disagree with me, but there are many learned friends over here many of them are into real estate also. Are you able to sell your small plots? Do you have the buyers? No, sir. Please, sir, don't do this. And at the same time, sir, through you, I would also add on one more point, sir, which when the BRS was in power, sir, which I was fighting for, sir. And I remember that time, KCR Saab, the then Chief Minister, he got up and he said, Akbar Saab, you're right. You can take out the record, sir. Sir, I'm coming on what, sir? Sir, this is nothing but following the footsteps of BJP-led central government, which has been seeking to restrict Telangana states borrowing under FRBN Act by clubbing the states borrowing and the loans raised by the state public debt undertaking with the government guarantees, sir. This is the major point, sir. I would like to repeat this once again, sir. Once again, sir. This is nothing but following in the footsteps of BJP-led central government, which has been seeking to restrict Telangana states borrowing under FRBM Act by clubbing the states borrowing and the loans raised by the state public sector undertaking with government guarantees. Sir, the question now arises is that, I have spoken, sir. Sir, like if anybody comes to me asking for a loan, what would I see? Does this person has the repaying capacity or not? Is he giving me a proper guarantees or not? When both the things are there, I lend money. I give money. And there is nothing wrong, sir. World over, the economies are run by taking loans. What is the debt and the loans of UK? I have those figures. And many developed nations, they seek loans from World Bank, from here, from there. So we have to take loans, we have to build the infrastructure. But if we have to criticize each another, it wouldn't be right, sir. So I really want to caution the government, sir. So we cannot follow the same yardstick of the central government, which is harmful to the state fiscal interest while calculating the state's public debt, sir. I once again repeat this, sir. Sir, we cannot follow the same yardstick of the central government, which is harmful to the state's fiscal interest while calculating the state's public debt, sir. Moreover, sir, a major complaint of the Congress members while in opposition was that the BRS government was not showing transparency in the state finances and it was hiding facts and figures about the actual state of affairs and state finances. I remember, sir, when Mr. Bhatti Saab was there in the opposition, he used to say this again and again. He used to come and also show me and say that, Dekho Akbar Saab, they are hiding it. So, but now the present government also seems to be following in the footsteps of the earlier government. ऐसा हो गया है सर, इख्तिदार में नहीं रहे तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी मुतालबा कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी ख्वाब दिखा सकते हैं, कुछ भी वादे कर सकते हैं. इख्तिदार में आ गए तो उसकी मजबूरियां ऐसी हैं कि वैसे ही चलना पड़ता है जैसे पहले लोग चलते थे. Now I'll come, sir. You might feel upset कि अकबर साहब क्या बोल रहे हैं. मैं बोलता हूं. So the fiscal policy statement under FRBN has to give all details as required under AP FRBM Act and rules framed thereunder adopted by the Telangana government. These include a series of forms, sir. हरीश साहब को भी मालूम है बिकॉज जब मैं उनको बोल रहा हूं ये लोग भी वैसी करें सर, छुपाते रहे उसको, नहीं बोले. सर, द फॉर्म इंक्लूड F1, F2, F3, forms D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, D10. अब बोलो साहब कितने लोग हैं, ये क्या है, अकबर साहब क्या पढ़ रही है, D1, D2, D3 बोलेंगे. But sir, these includes, however, in the statement of fiscal policy table by Deputy CM Saab now and earlier by the BRS, full details are not provided in F1, F2 and F3 statement as per the rules and the norms. If I am wrong, please correct me, sir. Why are you hiding this information, sir? Why don't you table this? Let the people know. When you are having this debate again and again, sir, I think this is the ninth or more than a ninth time where I was, seeking a clarification and demanding and requesting the government to kindly include a series of forms F1, F2, F3 and forms D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9 and D10, sir. And also, sir, I have been requesting for full details to be provided in F1, F2 and F3 statement as per the rules and norms. At least do it now. At least do it now. Sir, there are 10 statements. Now I'm coming, sir. Sir, there are 10 statements in D category, D1 to D10. But in Telangana's government statement of fiscal policy, only D1, D2, D3 and D6 statements are provided. Genius bureaucrats, no, sir. उनको सिखाए थे, ओ ये नहीं बताना, इसको रखेंगे, वही सेम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, इनको भी बता रहे हैं, सर ये नहीं बताना, ये छुपाना. अब लीडर बोले आप, मगर देखो आप, मैं बता रहा हूं लीडर को कि देखो ये लोग ये चीज छुपा रहे हैं, इनको भी वैसी कर वहां भेज दिए. ऐसा ना हो कि उन पे टोटली आप डिपेंड करेंगे तो फिर आप यहां देंगे. प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, मैं आपका दोस्त हूं, इसलिए बोल रहा हूं, मैं आपका दोस्त हूं भाई, इसलिए बोल रहा हूं. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप रहे वहां पे. Sir, only D1, D2, D3, D6 statements are provided, sir, while the remaining 6 statements are missing, thereby Honorable Speaker, sir, thereby omitting crucial fiscal data such as D4, guarantees given by the government, D5, outstanding risks and weighted guarantees, D7, statement of asset, D8, tax revenues raised not realized, D9, statement of liabilities of major works and unpaid bill on works and supplies, and D10, statement of number of employees in government, state public sector and aided institution and expenditure on their salaries and pension. सर, अब ये जो सैलरीज का है ना सर, सैलरीज को मैं बुक्स में से निकालना चाह रहा था. सर, आई हैड टू गो इन 3 places, सर. 3 places I had to go. Why don't you make it very simple? सर, आंध्र प्रदेश का आप निकाल कर देखिए सर, कितना अच्छा रहता है, साफ सीधा रहता है. ये देखिए सर, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग सर. दिस इज व्हाट statement of fiscal policy to be laid on the table of the Telangana State Legislature in July 2024. ये पूरे डिटेल्स क्यों नहीं देते हैं सर? आप देखिए, आप इसमें सिर्फ 2-3 यही दिए. Why sir? पूरा why are we hiding it, sir? They let these people hide it, don't show it, hide it, don't show it, and they're saying the same thing, hide it, don't show it. Sir, also the statement of employees, sir, D10 is the statement of number of employees in government, state, public sector and aided institution and expenditure on their salaries and pensions, sir. Sir, in the absence of these important statements, in the statement of fiscal policy tabled by Telangana government, it is not possible to assess the real position of state finances and public debt, sir. Sir, I may also point out that United Andhra Pradesh, the Finance Department website, used to carry the details of all budgeted releases, orders, BRO issued by the government by releasing the budgetary allocation of various department heads of accounts, sir. राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब के दौर में कांग्रेस ये सारी चीजें देती थी, सारी चीजें. रोशैया साहब फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे, सारी चीजें देते थे. लेकिन तेलंगाना बने बाद बीआरएस ने जो किया वो काम वैसी हो रहा है. नहीं मालूम के वो राजशेखर रेड्डी की कांग्रेस कहां गुम हो गई. आज की इस कांग्रेस में मैं ढूंढ रहा हूं. उम्मीद करता हूं कि वो कांग्रेस जरूर मुझे जल्द नजर आ जाएगी, आपसे जल्द नजर आ जाएगी. सर, आई मे ऑल्सो सॉरी सर, अच्छा sir, but this practice of uploading the BROs on the finance department website was dispensed by the previous BRS government, and the present Congress government seems to be following the same practice of keeping the BROs under wraps, sir. BROs भी नहीं आ रहे साहब, पहले BROs आते थे, वो BROs भी पता ही नहीं चल रहा कुछ भी, सब फाइनेंसेस हिडन है, और इनके दौर में इन्हों GOs को भी छुपाते थे साहब, इन्हों BROs को भी छुपा रहे, BROs, अच्छा वो भी हो गया है, चलिए मुबारक, दे आर फॉलोइंग यू they are continuing you. So, sir, now I may also point out and say that, देखो सर, my concern is one, sir. इन्हों जो करे, इनको आवाम यहां भेज दी, इन्हों जो गलत करे, वो सेम गलती अगर आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे, तो आवाम फिर इनको भी नहीं बोलेंगी, इनको भी नहीं बोलेंगी, किसी तीसरे को बोलेंगी, तो तीसरा ना आपके लिए अच्छा है, ना इनके लिए अच्छा है, ना मेरे लिए अच्छा है। सही है ना साहब? सर नहीं है ना सवाल? बिल्कुल, दैट्स इट, वेरी गुड सर। तो हमारी कोशिश यही रहती है सर, हमारी कोशिश यही रहती है कि तीसरा ना आए। जी सर, सर आई मे ऑल्सो पॉइंट आउट दैट, सर गोइंग फर्दर अहेड सर, I may also point out that the data quoted by the State Finance Department in the White Paper on Telangana finances, the Deputy CM Saab's statement from time to time, the CAG account, the RBI statistics, etc., they show glaring variations, sir. Variations are there. I hope that these variations will be checked and the variations will not happen again, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, the state government committed expenditure on salaries and pensions of the government employees, interest payment and subsidized account for a major portion of the state's total expenditure, sir. With the Telangana government's commitment for recruitment of 2 lakh government employees, implementation of new pay revision commission report, enhancement in DA with additional installments, the financial burden due to the salaries and pension is set to go up substantially in the next couple of years, sir. Sir, वो शायद मैं गलत हूँगा सर, सिंधी लोग और दूसरे बाज लोग हैं सर, आई एम सॉरी सर, आई टेक बैक, सिंधी नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, आई टेक बैक दैट। बाज लोग हैं सर, वो ऐसे दुआ करते हैं बोल के मैं सुना, वो दुआ करते हैं और दुआ करके जैसा हम बोलते हैं ना साहब, हम दुआ करते हैं कि अय अल्लाह हमारे खर्चों को, अय भगवान हमारे एक्सपेंडिचर को थोड़ा कम कर, कम कर। तो बाज लोग ऐसे भी हैं दुनिया में जो दुआ करते हैं कि हमारे एक्सपेंडिचर्स को और कर, और कर, और कर बोलते हैं सर। तो वो तो यू नो व्हाई दे प्रे फॉर दैट? नो 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 सर, उसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है। सो यू नो सर, समवन आस्क्ड देम कि एवरीबॉडी प्रेयर्स एंड दे से दैट के वी शुड अपने एक्सपेंडिचर कम होना, एंड व्हाई इज इट दैट यू प्रे एंड से दैट के आवर एक्सपेंडिचर शुड इंक्रीज? सो दैट दोस ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल दे सेड दैट कि इफ वी स्पेंड मोर देन वील वर्क मोर एंड गेट मोर। That's why we say that. So now I would say that spend more on 6 guarantees, fulfill the promises, ways and means will come by itself. Don't worry, sir. We will do it, and I know that you are going to do it, sir. Moreover, with the partial implementation of the 6 guarantees of the Congress, the financial burden on subsidies is also poised to go up manifold, with subsidies on Telangana RTC on free bus transport for women, subsidy on LPG cylinder, BPL families at rupees 500, free power up to 200 units, BPL connection, additional subsidy on supply on fine rice to ration card holders, free power to school, etc. Apart subsidy on free power to the farmers, sir. I am sure, sir, कि जरूर जितने promises करे हैं उसको बराबर fulfill करेंगे। ठीक है, वक्त लगेगा, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता होगा, लेकिन अब 1.5 साल होने आ रहा है, 1.5 साल होने आ रहा है, 1 साल तो हो गया है, बजट आए जब तक 1.5 साल हो जाता है, तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि बजट विल रिफ्लेक्ट एटलीस्ट नॉट फुल promises of 6 guarantees, few promises of 6 guarantees would be addressed, sir. Sir, also I would like to point out, and I had also mentioned and I have shown it, sir. Sir, I would like to point out one important thing, sir. I am concluding, sir. Sir, I may recall that, sir, on 8th of March this year, मैं पहले भी बोल चुका हूं सर, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है सर, उसलिए बस ये बोल दे के खत्म कर देता हूं सर। दिस ईयर द तेलंगाना हाई कोर्ट डिसमिस अ रिट पिटीशन फाइल्ड बाय IMG Bharata IMG Academies Bharata Private Limited, represented by its co-chairman Ahubala Rao, alias Billy Rao, challenging the decision of Andhra Pradesh government to cancel the allotment of prime land covering an extent of 850 acres at 2 locations around Hyderabad to the company in 2006, sir. Sir, इसकी history में बोलता हूँ, sir. ये कैसे cancel हुआ? Rajshekar Reddy was a very great leader, sir. And I know that Bhatti Saab is a staunch follower of Rajshekar Reddy Saab because I've seen him, sir. And it was Rajshekar Reddy, sir, who came in power, and I was there, and I remember still Rajshekar Reddy Saab's speeches, Roshaya Saab's speeches about this IMG Bharat, sir, and they were the people who wanted to cancel. The reason क्या था मालूम साहब इसका? कंपनी फॉर्म हुई आज और ये जमीन मिल गई 2 दिन बाद. Am I right, sir? Right, sir? 2 दिन में, सर. अब उसके पीछे बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग थे. अब वो इस हाउस में नहीं है, चले गए, अब दूसरी तरफ है. अब मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता, समझ गए भट्टी साहब मेरे दोस्त. So the legal dispute dated back to 2003 when the then TDP government allotted 850 acres of land on the outskirts of Hyderabad to the company for development of standard sports facilities, sir. However, 3 years later, the Congress government headed by Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy labeled the allotment as a scam and cancelled the land allotment along with the MOU. Pronouncing this verdict, the High Court found no merit in the writ petition and dismissed it, sir. An extent of 400 acres was allotted at Gachibowli, sir, in Sri Lingampalli Mandal, and 450 acres was allotted at Mamitpalli in Sarunagar Mandal, apart from land measuring 1 to 6 acres in the area of main road from Banjara Hills to Shilpavaram at the throwaway rate of 50,000 per acre. 50,000 per acre, sir. So the current land price in Gachibowli and Mamitpalli areas, I don't know, but still, because I'm not into real estate, so I really don't know, but I think 50 crores per acre तो होगा, 50 करोड़ के ऊपर तो होगा, sir. And 850 acres are worth, sir, 42,500 crores. 42,500 crores. वो आप जो बोल रहे थे ना, बता रहे थे, KTR साहब बोल रहे थे, right? तो यही, this, sir, and sir, now the Telangana government can auction these parcels of land, sir, which are resumed by the authority for IMG Bharat. This may fetch a windfall of 42,500 crores. This may also provide much needed relief to the cash trap government, sir. और भी है सर, रेवेन्यू में जब आऊंगा मैं तो और बताता हूं, बहुत सारे मैं निकाल के लाया हूं सर, मैं पूरा बताता हूं कौन सी जमीन, कौन सी कैसी जमीन. एक जमीन ऐसी थी ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, वो गैप एरिया मीन्स गवर्नमेंट लैंड, मगर गैप एरिया को भी रेगुलराइजेशन करा दिया गया है. मैं वो भी डिटेल्स रेवेन्यू के जब हम आएंगे ना साहब उस पे तो मैं करूंगा सर. बट आई वाज हियरिंग कि वो एपी आई एम सेइंग टीएस आईआईसी को दिए हैं बोलकर आप बोले हैं. बट सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, द मैटर इज सब जुडिस सर. दे हैव गॉन टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट. अच्छा है, मैं बोल रहा हूं कम से कम वो बैंक वाले सुन लेंगे, जरा कमीशन रोक देंगे, नहीं देंगे एटलीस्ट बोल के, उसलिए बोल रहा हूं सर. आई डिमांड सर, थ्रू यू सर, आई वुड लाइक टू डिमांड द तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट टू टेक स्टेप्स to oppose the appeal of IMG Bharata in Supreme Court against the High Court verdict, sir. It is very important, sir. It is very important, sir. We cannot lose such a precious land, sir. And at the same time, sir, I request the Honorable Finance Minister, sir, that when he kindly rises to give me the replies as per the release of the RBI, sir. And once again I say, कि sir, we are here to support him. If needed, let us go to RBI and say that कि our state's Deputy Chief Minister, Finance Minister Saab's statements and our Finance Department bureaucrat statements are this. Kindly accept this and delete your figures. All our cooperation and support is there to Delhi, sir. I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.